It is now time to celebrate our next digital premiere. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the BMW R18 Classic. What a great bike! The R18 Classic is a perfect bike for emotional and nostalgic touring, and is our second offer in the cruiser segment. It stands entirely in the tradition of historical BMW motorcycles and reflects the early days of the first touring cruisers. Our 1800cc big boxer is once again the epicenter of pure riding fun and continues the long tradition of our air-cooled boxer engines.
The R18 is already a masterpiece, and the new R18 Classic is a very logical addition to this family. The features that differentiate it the most from the R18 are obviously the big windshield, the fat 16-inch tire, the pillion passenger seat, and the saddlebags. On top, the auxiliary lighting here adds to the striking appearance of the R18 Classic. Both bikes, the R18 Classic and the R18, they offer a highly conversion-friendly architecture because customizing was very much a focus right from the start of the project.
Here in the United States, the R18 has been on sale for a little over a month, and I can tell you that demand for this bike is so high. Some of our customers have come in to see the R18, they've expressed their interest, but they are looking for a little bit more touring capability. We are very excited that we now have the perfect bike to offer these customers with the new R18 Classic. There are many different parts and accessories which will allow individual customizing that significantly alters the character of your R18 or R18 Classic.
The machine parts that we have here are just a portion of the collection. Valve covers, breastplate, levers, reservoir covers, and grips. We also do a gauge mount. We do seats. We're also doing fork covers, handlebar ends, and all these parts are both offered in machine and two-tone black finishes.
The very first BMW R9T had its world premiere in 2013. Now, 7 years later, it is time for the world premiere of the new generation of our R9T family members, which is made up of 4 models now. Besides the iconic R9T, there's the R9T Pure, reduced to the essentials. The R9T Scrambler, with the classic feature of a scrambler, deep treaded tires, a raised exhaust, and relaxed seating position. And finally, the R9T Urban GS.
Thank you, Timo. Dear motorcycle fans, today's world premiere of the BMW R18 Classic and the new generation of the R90 family are further steps towards our stated goal of becoming the #1 brand in the premium motorcycle market. And there's a lot more to come. We will be back with more world premieres very soon.